Back. I am Crystal Real Nesta. That's James Real Nesta. And today we are doing a review for you guys of
Sour Patch Kids cereal.
yes.
I don't know how this is gonna go. I usually don't like anything sour, but we're gonna see how this goes.
Well, not only that, these brands, this brand has all these different ones. I have tasted the Oreos; they are awesome. I'm not a big fan of Cookie Crisp, so I'm not assuming that I won't like Chips Ahoy, but I might try, what do you call those, Nella?
Yeah, I guess that's a play on the word vanilla.
Yeah, and the Nutter Butter, I would love to taste that. But anyway, so we have the cereal, and it smells great. I will tell you, they look like little puffs. Little puffs.
I'm gonna just get a little bit, so just enough to get a taste. I'm not that hungry, so I don't want to waste anything. Ooh, it smells good.
Yeah, it do. It smells really
fruity.
good.
Yeah, it smells real fruity.
Like it smells like Fruity Pebbles.
Yeah.
They kind of got the same color as Fruity Pebbles.
I'm gonna see, cause you know if I like it, cause I usually don't like sour stuff. So if I like it, it's good. Let me see.
You try one without the cereal.
Okay.
Without the milk. It probably tastes better without the milk. Let me see. That was the sour one.
Are they all sour?
No, they sweet and sour.
Mm.
Like Sour Patch Kids.
Yeah. Let me see. Here we go. Taste
Mm-hmm.
test. Ooh, I do taste a little sour. I think that was the yellow one I picked up. Let me see. All right.
I'm trying to see.
One bite.
It ain't really telling you what flavors are in there. It tastes like candy. They actually did a good job of making it taste like the candy.
Not too bad. I was thinking it was gonna be real sour, like kind of make it face.
No, it's sweet and sour.
Yeah, okay.
That's the thing about the Sour Patch. They sweet and sour. It really tastes like the candy with milk.
Now you know what it crunch like? It crunch like cheese curls.
Like puffy. The puffy.
Like the twist. The cheese curls that's in the twist. It crunch like that.
I did all red.
It ain't bad, Tasha. It ain't like extra sour, so it's pretty good. It's got a good combination.
I'm trying to see which ones are actually the sour. I just did all red.
And this
That's all green.
This is by Post. It says Sour Patch Kid, sour then sweet. On the back, it even has a little I guess a worksheet that the kids can fill out with adjective places. We wake up in there and then you go through that. So it's got a little activity for the kids.
I need to do that activity. Remember back in them days when you don't know nothing about that. But you and your siblings used to argue over the box. Actually, the way they did this, it don't matter what bite you take. Like I tried all the different, like 3 of each flavor. It still got the sweet, sour, and everything. It ain't like the blue is sour and the red is sweet. No, all of them is the same.
Now the only thing, I probably would let mine sit in the milk more because they're a little too crunchy for me.
Something too crunchy for you? The guy who loves Captain Crunch.
Yeah, I don't want my damn jaw to be all swollen from crunching here.
The guy who eats, this is way less crunchier than Captain Crunch.
No, it's twisted though. Oh look, remember the day where all the kids, they used to have a prize in every cereal for a kid? Why they don't put prizes in the cereal no more for kids?
Probably because somebody done sued them because the kid choked off of it or something. You know, people nowadays. It's not telling you all the flavors, but it's orange, blue, green, red, and yellow.
So what we're going to start doing, you guys, especially when we review something that has a box that is not homemade, we're going to read the nutrition facts on it for you. 100, this is just a plain cereal with no milk. 140 calories from fat. Well, 140 calories, 30 from fat. Saturated fat 13%, cholesterol 0, sodium 9%. Total carbs 8%. And it has let's see. Just the plain cereal doesn't have any vitamin A or vitamin C. It has 8% calcium, 25% iron, 40% thiamine, B6, 8% B6, folic acid, phosphorus, zinc has 8% zinc.
All them funky names is what's getting us in trouble, ain't it?
Yeah.
All the funky names is what gets you in trouble. But this is not bad. Now, I give this a 5. Not
Out of
because,
what? Out of what?
Out of 10.
Okay.
It's not bad, but would I eat this every day? Nah. Once this box is gone, we done. I wouldn't buy it again.
It's not bad,
Mm-mm.
but what I would probably do, if I would tell them to make this into a round shape instead of a shape like this. It'd be better as far as chewing. That's just me personally.
But it's supposed to be chewy. That candy is chewy. That's a gummy candy.
I wouldn't want to deal with that every time I eat cereal, especially if I want to eat it every morning.
But that's why it's not for adults.
Well,
Tricks are for kids, you silly rabbit.
the chew factor. You know, and I chew up like Cheerios and stuff like
Well,
that.
I just said
But-
you love Captain Crunch. How you complain about this?
Because
It's just different.
While I'm chewing it, I feel like I'm chewing the cheese curl, the twisted cheese curl that just tastes like this. That's what it feels. You don't see me when I eat cheese curls and take a whole handful of cheese curls and start, and that would be crazy too. That's what it's like to me.
Well,
So it's not bad. So you said 1 out of 10. Why we not doing 1 out of 5?
we could do 1 out of 5.
1 out of 5. What you get? 5 being the
3.
Okay, you give it a 3.
It's in the middle.
Well, I know it took 1 point off for the crunchiness. The flavor, it ain't bad, but it ain't the best.
Right.
And the presentation is good as far as the box and everything.
Is great.
It's by average on the nutritional facts, and it's got a little puzzle on the back for kids. So I give it a 3.
Yeah.
Well, yeah.
Yeah.
I guess I give it a 3 because it doesn't taste bad. It tastes good.
It's just not our preference.
If
We wouldn't buy it again.
Yeah, if this wasn't so crunchy,
But
as far as me,
kids will
it'd be
probably
better.
love that. Kids would probably get at a 5.
Yeah. So this is the Sour Patch Kids. This is our review of it. Any last thing you want to say before we get up out of here?
You can buy this for your kids.
All right, you guys. This is our review of the Sour Patch Kids here. We're gonna see you guys on the next video. All right, peace.
Peace. You ain't doing right, man. You supposed to say peace.